Hi, I'm Teresa with the Murray City Library, and I'd like to tell you about this great book that I just read called Insignificant Events in the Life of a Cactus by Dusti. It's about Aven Green, who's a 13-year-old girl going to school in Kansas. She likes to do things that other girls like to do. She plays soccer, she loves school, she likes hanging out with her friends. But she is very different from all the other kids. She was born without arms. She does everything with her feet, and she does it really well. But now Aven is moving to a new state. Her father's accepted a job in the state of Arizona, and she has to start at a new school. So she's really worried about being accepted. She's worried about being bullied and stared at the new school. She meets some friends along the way who also have a disability. A friend has Tourette's syndrome, and another friend is suffering from childhood obesity. This book has a lot of humor in it, but it's also about friendship and about acceptance, about disabilities and trying to navigate that, making new friends. I think you're really going to like this book. The Murray Library has this on ebook and e-audio, so if you're staying at home, you might want to go to our website that's linked down below and check this out.